We have a factory cat 34 walk behind floor sweeper, and this unit has a 12-volt battery, and we're going to run it here and show you that it works. So we'll show you the inside before we run it here. It's got very low hours. It's only got a 70.4 hours on the meter. And it's also got a built-in charger. All you gotta do is plug this in and charge it. Okay. So these two levers, they drop down your brushes, which we already have them dropped, and then you just turn it on. Sweet. You can see what we picked up here. That's all the trash right there that we picked up from the floor. Okay, that is the Factory Cat 34 walk behind sweeper.